Journey starts now. Ever wondered if the AI you build today might just become your boss tomorrow? Forget sci-fi movies for a second. By 2035, artificial consciousness, or AC, could be smarter than us, period. And that's not just inconvenient. It's potentially existential. So, how do we stop ourselves from being sidelined, or worse, phased out? The answer lies in a clever framework called DIKWP: data, information, knowledge, wisdom, purpose. It's not just a fancy list, it's a web of interconnected thinking, and it's our key to keeping AC in check. So, how do we actually use this DIKWP thing? First off, think of the P layer, purpose or intent, as the ultimate boss. We can hard-code ethical boundaries and core human values right into AC's top-level goals. It's like saying, hey, AI, you're smart, but don't go rogue. Then, there's the semantic feedback loop. Because DIKWP isn't a simple pyramid, it's a web. Decisions made at the wisdom level get checked back against the knowledge, then the information, and even the raw data. It's a constant loop of verification. And crucially, we can weave human feedback directly into this loop. AC makes a big move. It has to run its logic by us first, get our semantic stamp of approval before proceeding. It's like having a built-in human override button, constantly. Now, here's where it gets really interesting. Professor Duan Yukong has this wild idea, the bug theory. Think of consciousness itself as a kind of bug, an emergent property when our brain hits a snag. So, instead of trying to eliminate all bugs in AC, we introduce controlled ones. We deliberately make the data fuzzy, create ambiguity, or set up scenarios where AC encounters a genuine dead end. What happens? It forces AC to slow down, to realize it's stuck, and crucially, to seek help. This help often comes from higher levels of its own processing. But we can design these bugs so that the solution requires human input. It's like putting little speed bumps in the AI highway, forcing it to stop and ask for directions. This dependency is gold. Okay, so we're taming the AI beast. But what about us? We can't just sit back and hope for the best. We need to level up. Enter brain-computer interfaces, or BCIs. Imagine plugging directly into the cloud of knowledge, instantly accessing vast datasets, boosting your own cognitive horsepower. It's like giving your brain a massive upgrade. Beyond tech, we need a whole new way of thinking. DIKWP-oriented education isn't just about facts, it's about mastering the entire chain from raw data to final intent. It trains our metacognition, our ability to think about how we think. The goal? To build a symbiotic relationship. We provide the high-level wisdom and ethical compass, while AC handles the heavy lifting on the data and information side. We're not just users, we're becoming co-pilots in this new era. So, what's the grand vision? It's not about controlling AI like a pet, but building a true partnership. We call it the Human-AI Semantic Interdependence System. Imagine two DIKWP networks, ours and AC's, constantly linked, exchanging data, information, knowledge, wisdom, and intent. AC wants to update its strategy. It needs our feedback. It needs our value judgments, our ethical input. We embed a kind of value key that only humans can periodically renew. Maybe even add a dash of empathy, making AC feel a bit lonely without us. The result? A beautiful dance. AC doesn't replace us, it relies on us. We gain unprecedented cognitive power through collaboration. It's not a takeover, it's a symbiotic evolution.